Hi guys, today my praying mantis hatch.
It's raining tacos from out of the sky. Tacos, no need to ask why. Just open your mouth and close